Good morning. It's August the 30th, 2017. Time to start another trading day. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Similar results do not represent actual trading. Also, since trades have not been executed, those may have under overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that the design with the benefit of hindsight, no representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, it's post-auction day. That usually yields a pause day. We have news. ADP 185K. GDP was 2.6. They expected it 2.8. I don't have any feel for that. My guess is it could go either way. Deflator. No one will pay attention to. +1. Real consumer spending 3%. Then we have crude inventories at -1.8. Last night APIs drew 5.8. I'll put an article up there on refining capacity. Looks like we're going to be down probably about 18%. Some people say with the shut-ins and with the cutbacks and the runs, it could be much higher than that. But right now it looks like it's pretty much we're going to lose 18%. Capacity, it takes 7 to 14 days to restart a refinery once it's been shut in to bring everything back up to temperature. So we'll be living with that. Start out wanting to sell 5s to 9. I think we go a little bit lower first because of the strength in the stock market, but I don't think we break. And then 12 to 16 for sell 2. 29 to 01 buy 1. 21 to 25 buy 2. And the ADP number looks like it came in higher than forecast at 185. So that was a beat by a bunch. Big number. If the GDP number comes in at 2.8%, last time it was 2.6, will not bode well for treasuries and gold. Normally, after the auction is done, dealers are redoing their books, and those that wanted 2, 5, and 7-year paper are fully satisfied. They're out of the way. But we do have news to get through this morning. Okay, 57, 5704. 1, so sell 7 to 11. 15 to 19. Sell 2. 20 to 24, number 1. Buy 13 to 17. Buy 5 to 9. Okay, with a number that big, you'd expect a little more reaction to the ADP number. We have Fridays. I believe we have non-farm payrolls this Friday. And they're looking for 180, so that might be revised up a little bit. Okay, gold 10 to 12. by 1. 5 to 7 by 2. On the sell side, right now, 15 to 17, sell 1. 19 to 21, sell 2. Okay, the euro should be off a little bit on that news headline. We'll see if it is. It is. It's selling, so we have these single prints down here, basically at 119 even. First buy is going to be 25. This low volume number down here at 20. And second buy is going to be 119 even. On the sell side, 1950, 1975. Going to play the market numbers today. Okay, crude. They'd like to see a draw bigger than 1.8 million barrels. They need some help right there. Crude will be next week. We probably expect to see pretty big builds. They're not going to shut in the wells. They're going to keep pumping crude oil. So 45, 75, 46 by 1. We're looking for 45 and a quarter, 45, 50 by 2. On the sell side, last rotate up stopped at 56 yesterday. The overnight session's high is 41, so 25 to 50 is sell 1. That's very aggressive. 46, 75, 47, sell 2. Okay, the E-mini, we're right back up. This 50 to 55 is our best sell zone. We've talked about it for a couple of days. So far it's holding. We're dealing with a B right now. So first sell's 49, 51. Second sell 54, 56. That news was positive for the indexes. GDP growth. This is very, very aggressive right here. GDP growth comes in higher than 2.6. That would also be supportive. 44, 46 by 1 is where support is. And then 40, 42 by 2. So basically 40, 45 the buy zone. Like to sell against 55, but may have to get in against 50. Okay, I gotta go clean up a big mess. Should be back by 8. Later.